Madam, good morning, madam. Hemambika. Ma'am joined, no? Nisha, ma'am.
She joined and I think she left it again, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here. Good morning,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Can we start, madam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Hema, can you
I
start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, please start.
Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the 7th session of the International Faculty Development Program conducted by the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science of Easwari Engineering College. The topic for the session is Citation Tools and Google Scholar. I'm delighted to invite the speaker for the day, Dr. Nisha Sharmugam. Dr. Nisha Sharmugam, ME PhD, received her PhD from Anna University. She is currently working as a faculty in the School of Computer Science and Engineering, VIT University. Research interests feature extraction, remotely sensed images, pattern recognition in medical imaging, and agricultural imaging. She has many publications in journals, conferences, and book chapters, especially more than 10 journal papers in high impact factor journals like Elsevier, IEEE, IET, Hindwani, etc. She is a reviewer for many reputed journals such as IEEE and IET. She is currently guiding 2 PhD scholars and 1 PhD scholar completed her doctorate successfully in last year. We are extremely honored to have you in this session, ma'am. The session is yours.
Thank you, Hemambika, for your nice introduction. Thank you. We start, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. You can
Yes,
proceed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hemambika, is my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you.
Can you put it to the presenter mode? Yes, ma'am. It's fine.
Good morning, all. I'm Nisha. I have completed my PhD in 2017 Jan. Almost 6.5 years is over. Once again, I'll stop my video so that the net will be better. Can you stop this? Don't mirror my video. No.
There's a button called
Can you
stop
stop?
video. Try, ma'am.
Okay. If possible, will you please stop?
Yes,
Yeah.
done it, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, dear. Okay. So, 6.5 years over, I have published 2 journals for my PhD. One is Elsevier, another one is IET image processing. Really, it's a very difficult, tough process to get published in a free journal, that too high impact journal. Really, I have spent 2 years for getting published in Elsevier. So earlier I have published in IEEE journal. After that, after getting good corrections, in review comments, based on that, I have improved my paper. Actually, the implementation is over on that time. So I revising the paper according to the comments. Okay, again I have submitted to the Elsevier. After 4 months, I have received my first review comments. Then based on that, again I have submitted within a week. Even though they took again 5 to 6 months to accept the paper. Okay, so It's a really tough process for getting published. Nowadays, it's become very critical because many journals have become open access. So, after submitting, if it is get rejected, again we need to reformat the paper according to the new journal requirement, right? Especially the citation as per the template, the formatting, the references, that and all. It's a really tough process. Almost it will take 1 week of time. Okay, that too after rejecting some within stress, frustration mode for correcting again the paper. It's a tough process only. So based on that, the today's session, we're going to learn, explore about automatic reference citation management tool. It's like a research assistant. Okay, easily wherever you want, you can insert. Somebody else will maintain that reference order. Just by clicking the reference, it will automatically fill your reference list. So like that very easy tool that we are going to explore. After that, to maintain the research profile after completing the PhD, also as an academician, as a researcher, we need to maintain our research profile in various forums, because the people are referring that Google Scholar profile or Scopus profile or Web of Science profile for various reasons. The individually, I mean, the institutions are they need your profile that to updated for their affiliations, and the publisher they're asking arcade ID. So that like that, the individuality, okay, to differentiate from other researcher, the naming conflict and all, to resolve that, we need to maintain the profile. Your scholars may refer, your students may refer to come to know about that, okay. And for putting the DC member or choosing as a guide, okay. So all those things, we need the research profile should get updated in various forums. So we have to do no other way, okay. So these two things we are going to explore today. So like YouTube people, okay, they'll give a small initial, the start of the video, okay, they'll give some highlight, no. So like that, I have planned one, okay. So first we'll see what is the purpose, what is the help, okay, of this tool. Is anybody utilize the reference tool like Mentally and Zotero? Is anyone already familiar with this? Kindly bear me because I'm maybe in my both part you may get some new information. I hope that. So I'm going to demonstrate. For that purpose, I'm taking a paper. A part of the paper I'm planning to take. Okay, random paper I'll take, and okay. Just I want to take a paragraph. Okay, after that, I'll show you what kind of assistance the research assistant, the Zotero, will provide. Okay, just I'm copying, pasting a paragraph. Okay, now I need to include the citations and references. If my voice is audible, connected with you?
Yes.
Thank you. So here I want to include one citation. Okay, so for that, here you can find a new tab, Zotero. After downloading and installing, it's very simple step. You can find like this tab in your Word document itself. Okay, so Zotero, just I'm going to, here you can find different styles. Okay, according to the, almost they have covered many styles, IEEE, LCware. Okay, so In general, we will use this APA, that is American Psychological Association 7th edition. So this format only normally we will follow. So first I'll demonstrate with that. See, there is a change, citation. Okay. So here it will ask you to search something. Now I'm searching a weed. So like that, you can find some journal, or otherwise you can put author name also. Okay, author name you can put, or otherwise you can find author name or title, any portion of the title also you can put. Like this, you can choose your paper, okay, which you want to cite. Just click enter. That's all. So the citation is included, right? So this is the APA style. So whichever style you want, that you can include. After that, again, I want to include two more paper here. Okay, so for that also, just add or edit citation. Here I am typing artificial, like that, artificial. So I'm getting some paper. Okay, again, other paper I want to include. So this one, I'm taking different paper. So three different paper I have included. Here, one paper and two paper here. Okay. So again, there is a need to include the same paper again. Okay. So for that, directly putting that author name. Okay. So like this, you can include. After that, okay, for the reference section, here I want to include all my references. For that, as a simple click, okay, a magical click, just click. Able to see this? All the references, three papers. Actually, here we have done a duplication. Okay, so it will not repeat in the order. Okay, actually, we have included H, after that B and S. So it will automatically order. Okay, in the alphabetical order, it will take. So it won't show the duplicate. So again, I include. I'll show you. Again, I've included one more paper. Yeah. Here also, automatically it will insert in the right place. It will not. It will maintain an alphabetical order for you. Is it helpful? If possible, kindly give some interaction so that I know it. Whether you are listening, if whether it's interesting or useful tool or not. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm seeing some responses in the chat box. So thank you. So it's useful, no? So for changing that citations and maintaining the references, this is a beautiful research assistant. There are many number of reference and citations tools like this, but the best tool based on my experience, I can say Zotero and Mentally. Mentally also, it's both are free open source tools, very easy to use. Okay, there are one or two plus and minus. Okay, plus or minus like that. I mean, in Mentally, here itself you can find a separate window to see the paper by just by clicking it, it will add. So that is the difference. In Zotero, we need to include and we need to search and do it. In Mentally, in right side journal, right side tab, we can able to see all the papers. Okay, so that is the difference. And in Zotero, you need not rely on actually in Mentally there is a problem, another problem. Windows, your Word document should be after 2016, or otherwise we need to use online Word. So that is the difference between Zotero and Mentally, or otherwise both are same, very useful, helpful tools. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn, how we can create the library for importing like this. Okay, the installation, from the downloading and installing, everything we are going to learn. So before that, before we can have a glance. So why these many forum? Arcade mainly for the publishers. Okay, publishers, they'll ask nowadays in VIT and all, they are asking all the IDs. Okay, the Google Scholar ID, Scopus ID, Arcade ID, like this, everything they are collecting. So they for affiliations, okay, for us, we need to maintain the research profile. We need to showcase your research related progress. Okay, by your own also you can monitor your performance. Okay, so for all those reasons, we need to maintain the research profile in the various forums. Okay, so Arcade mainly for the affiliations and publishers. Scopus, Scopus you can maintain Scopus related citations. Okay, there is a difference between Google Scholar and Scopus. In Google Scholar, all those things, all kind of your work you can include, need not be a Scopus indexed one. Okay, in Scopus they'll strictly follow Scopus indexed citation and Scopus indexed journal only. Okay, the Babylon is mainly for peer review and editorial contributions. Okay, so for that only they are using. So Zotero we will learn as a next part. So we'll go to the Google Scholar first. Okay, in Google Scholar, okay, so I'm going to first we'll search something. Okay, so here I am planning to search something like precision agriculture using deep learning. You know that if you are searching through normal Google, okay, so it will bring more results, right? Some unwanted, unrelated, other than article, okay, like it will take images, some website. So like that, all those things it will come, videos are not. So for a researcher, we need the articles, right? Articles, book chapter like that. So for that, we can use Google Scholar. See, without double colon, okay, without double quotes, if I put, I'm getting 3,89,000 results, right? Okay, so if I am utilizing the double quotes, so it will search as a phrase. So only 33 results. Okay, 33 results only we are getting. So now, where anything else means we can able to save whichever paper you want, you can save in a library. Actually, they are providing a facility to store, to save your research. Okay, save your search. How you can save? Just click this. Okay, so here already I have created a label. In that I can store, or otherwise you can create your own label. Go to my library, so it will provide you these many options. Already I have created two label, so you can create your own label like this. Create a new label, you can put a label name, and then you can store your search. Okay, particular search, especially which paper you want, that you can store in the particular library label. Okay, just like a folder. So you can save, it will be maintain that paper. Actually, it will not store as a paper, it's a store as a link only. So it will not take much memory space for the library. Okay, like this you can maintain as many library you want, and on the whole you can export also. You can export whichever format you want. In that format you can export. Now I'm giving this one. So automatically all the papers get, yeah, it will be saved like this. Okay, so this is one option. So when we are clicking the library, automatically the export option will come, or otherwise whichever document you want, article you want, that you can save. And citation will provide you the many options. Either you can take this format or you can copy and maintain. Okay. So this one is 2017 article. So I want the recent article, means either I can put custom range or since 2023. Okay, so which one is highly influenced? Okay, that you can check. If the paper, actually the paper published 2023 only, but it's cited by somebody. Like this, high influencing paper also you can find. So we can go for so here I'm taking yeah. So this one 2022, but cited by 14. Okay, the short duration, more citation. So you can take this paper as a quality one, or some content to absorb. Okay, like that you can take. So related article, versions, all those things, PDF, whether the PDF are available, that also everything we know it, right? Okay, so here you can search the profile also. Okay, you can search profile, like I'm putting a name. So yeah, I'm taking some random profile. Okay, like this, your profile also somebody may take. Okay, so for that you need to maintain your profile perfectly. Okay, you can actually Google Scholar will provide the provision to add your paper manually. Okay, so automatically also it will include based on your Scopus ID, your mail ID, that and all. Otherwise also you can include your own paper in the Google Scholar. Okay, so like this, who are the co-author. Okay, so citations, H index, everything you also maintain. You can include in your so I can follow somebody else. Okay, I can follow means if I click any new articles, new citations, mean it will set as a alert. Okay, so it will be stored in the alerts so that I can monitor somebody else also. Okay, like this, some people may follow you also. So kindly maintain your profile. So how you can maintain the profile? I'm going to my profile. So in that, initially you have to log in with your register, and it will ask you to sign in, verify your mail ID, and then you can create your profile. In that I can give, you can edit all these options. I want to give a hint that see profile visibility. Okay, without forgetting, kindly tick this one so that you will get more citations. Okay, your profile and your things, everything will be visible for more people, so you will get more citations. So in the profile part, kindly do it. Okay, and then here my profile, this option for adding manually. Okay, articles manually, all those things you can done by using this option. Okay, Google Scholar is giving the option to, like this you can't do in the Scopus and all. Okay, you can't add the documents in the Scopus. So it will allow you to add conferences paper, any kind of non-Scopus papers, everything you can include in the Google Scholar. That is advantage. Actually, early days they allow you to upload the paper also. So that provision they have removed it because of the issues, the open access paper or paid journal and all. So it will create some problems. So they have removed it actually. Okay. So I can check my H index, I-10 index, all those things here. And more options here, we can explore it. So my library already we have seen. Metrics, so you can check these kind of journal related metrics also. Alerts, you can give your own alert like this following somebody. And we have settings. The settings, result per page, how many things you want to display, and open in a new browser window. Okay, so links into import in this format. So this format also you can change. All those is option available. And language also, these many languages are Google Scholar is providing. You can read in your own mother tongue also. And library links, I have linked with my VIT link. So here account also, okay, this is my mail ID, that and all you can link. And one more option, button. So like this you will get, if you save like this, then we can get the button. What is the purpose of the button? In general, if you are searching in the anything in the Google browser, normal browser, like I'm browsing it. Okay, so this is a normal research. Now we can go to the Scopus. In the Scopus also, they are giving provisions to search documents, authors, research discovery, all those things. In the documents, same thing I'm putting precision, agriculture, 18,000. So only it will show the Scopus indexed paper. That's why. Okay. So if I put deep learning also, deep learning, 1,380. If I change everything, it will include as and separate keyword, it is searching. Okay. So instead of that, I can include double quotes for searching as a phrase. Okay. So here I'm including this one. Here and or some more options are available, that also we can utilize. Only 817. Okay. If I want to include one more keyword, so this is the purpose of the keyword. See, using a single keyword, it is making the very big change in the document results. So precision agriculture using deep learning. Okay, so this is more relevant to you. Like that, by searching, okay, you can utilize these options. See, these many papers we are getting, you know, all those is option. I want to explore about the option analyze the results. Analyze the results, you can see all those things, you know, year wise, how many documents are there. So you can understand in which duration the peak, okay, the research based on this topic was there in the peak. So that you can understand, and you can, we have a 7 more tab, you know, the first one, sources. So these are the journals published these many papers. That information you can collect. An author, which author contributed more? Okay, 4 documents contributed by the first author. So that explore also, you can collaborate with him. If you're more related to the research means, definitely they'll support you. So you can find your collaborating persons. Okay. And this one is country. So actually in this topic, India is doing beautiful research, more paper published. Okay. And document type, article, conference paper, that and all you can analyze. Straight away you can go to that article alone. If you want article alone, out of 80, 43 documents are articles alone, research article. That you can get it easily. Okay. That you can export, select all, and then export in this format. I'm downloading it. Like this also we can export. Or otherwise, I don't want to export anything. I want to maintain this search. Okay, like this again and again, I don't want search. I want to search the search itself. Okay, that you can set search. Okay, you can provide a name for that, precision agriculture and deep learning. Like this also, you can give a name. Okay, ampersand is not allowed. Okay, and like this, you can save the entire research. Search also you can save, and you can set alert for, is there any new article is coming every week or every month? Like this also, you can set the search alert. if every month if you want to set, then it will give you the link to your mail ID. Okay, you will receive a mail. So these are the provision. Yeah, we left on the article. Yeah. So this is sponsor also for applying the sponsorship and all. It will be useful. Okay, which forum is supporting more fund. Okay, for this, especially for this research, that also you can find. So like this, there are plenty of options available in the Scopus. Okay, and yeah, this is for article search. Okay, and authors also, you can search about any author. Okay, I am putting Shivani my guide name, so that's why this you can find anybody profile, and you can monitor them. Okay, you can check the progress. Okay, see, like this you can search any people. You can analyze their H graph also. H graph. So 11 means, okay, so 11 papers, they are having minimum of 11 citations. Actually, ma'am published these many papers, okay, citation 62 like this. So 11th paper. So this is the 11th paper. So 1 to 11 having minimum of 11 citations. So that is H index. Like this, you can maintain, you can see, you can collaborate, you can ask the people. Actually, the Scopus, this is a Scopus ID. You know how to create the Scopus ID and all. And this is the ORCID. So ORCID and Scopus linked together. Okay. So if I go to ORCID ID, yeah, straight away I can go from here, right? Yeah, actually. So you also maintain your profile. Okay, I'm going to my profile. See, I want to link my architect. Yeah. So here, many people will not maintain this. Okay, you can maintain this employment details. You can include wherever you are working, that you can include educational qualification, membership. Okay, and works. Works means your research related article. Okay, so all those things you can include if you are signing in. Okay, if you, then it will allow you to update update all those things. Okay, here I can add some more things, or I can edit. Okay, all those options you will get it. So like that, you can add one more paper also. If any paper is missing, you can add your papers. Okay, add article. Yeah, here it will allow you to search or DOI. Based on that, you can add some more articles if you have. Okay, so that provision. So here also you can find the Scopus ID. From here you can go to directly to your Scopus article. Okay, so you can maintain your citations and all. The H graph. The sixth paper, I am having 6 citations. So hereafter, yeah, if I want to increase my H index by 1, 7 means I should get to one more citation for the 6th paper, and for the 7th paper also 2 more citations. Is it clear? So like that, we will get some enthusiastic. Okay, we will definitely will spend some time to improve our profile, right? So that you can do. If you try to collaborate somebody, they will show some interest, and they will cite your paper also. Like that, you can get some collaboration and citing each other. That and all you can happen your related article. Okay, just like that, don't do citations and all by given and taking policy. Okay, now we can go to that Zotero. Okay, how you can install Zotero. If you click download, okay, it will give you the two options: download, install, connector. Okay, so this connector only will help you to connect with the browser and all. Okay, you can search and you are taking no, so that and all you need the connector. The connector, so both the thing you should install. Okay, after installing, you will get a screen like this. Here I have included some labels. Okay, you can create the labels like this. Okay, so from which only I'm extracting the papers. Okay, for searching purpose, right? In the searching, we got some papers, no? So that papers already I have imported. Okay, so that's why now I'll delete these collections. Okay, how collection is nothing but a folder. Here, see new collection. So by clicking it, I can create a folder name. It's nothing but folder. So it will help you to organize also. Okay, for collecting papers and organize, share, cite. Although all these are the main objective of this one. So deforestation. In what are the ways I should include the papers? Okay. So here they have given the provisions like this. Journal article, you can click. Manually, you can import the title, author. Okay, all those things manually you can mention and you can include. This is a tough process. I know it. It's very easy process is there. Okay, don't worry. So this is one of the way that just I want to show that the provisions. Okay, what are the provisions available? Okay, so this is one of the way, and just you can give a link alone to the file. Okay, just you can link alone to the file. This is one option, or otherwise you can store a copy. Okay, here I am selecting all the articles. Like this, you can include the articles. So this is the third way. Okay, one way manually. Second way is here linking, and this is the third way you can do it. And drag and drop options also available. Okay, you can drag and drop it. This one I want to drag and drop. Already the process going on, that's why. So for each copying, it will create the metadata. Okay, metadata, all those things, the details it will maintain. This drag and drop option, another option. So fourth option also we have explored. So here it will show the duplicate unfiled items. Unfiled means it's not an article, it's not a book, it's not a website. So other than that, anything. Okay, that also we can find. Anything unwanted things, that also you can find. So these are the options available. And yeah, you can include all these options. Okay, email, film, encyclopedia. So like this, these many things you can import in the Zotero. Okay, in the Zotero library. And one more option, DOA. Okay, ISBN DOA. That option you can utilize. Okay, I'll show that. I'll take some other paper. Underwater. Here we can find the DOI. Going to copy. So look at this journal. This is spatio-temporal deep learning. Spatio-temporal deep learning. That I want to include. Here this option. Enter DOI. Just click enter. Yeah, here you can find the paper. Okay. So all those things automatically it will extract. Okay. So author's details, just I have included the DOA alone, right? Okay. So it will extract the title name, authors, publications, volume, page number, all those things automatically it will import from the. So these are the ways for importing the journals. Okay. And one more provisions. One more way to import. We have some downloader, no, from the Scopus and all. So that I want to import. Separate folder, and we have imported all those papers. Okay, this is the advantage of this one, Zotero. And clipboard. Clipboard means, okay, I'll go to the Google Scholar. Here I want to export these documents, means I can take, yeah. So here I can export. It's showing in the screen, right? So here you can click, select all the papers. Now it is in the clipboard, right? So this clipboard you can utilize. I'll create separate collection. Clipboard. Now I am going to utilize this option. See? Yes, no? Okay, then these are the provision to import all your papers, and you can export also your collections and all. You can export. Here you can reorganize. Suppose you want to include this article in another library, means just you can drag and drop to the particular folder. So that option also available, and you can do export. Okay, and here you can find the document whether it is containing PDF or not. Just by clicking this one, you can find it, and you can open the article. Here, which provision, which part of the document you want to highlight. So that also you can select, and which color you want, that you can highlight. So different things you can able to do it. Okay, in different color. Okay, you can organize like that, and you can give a note also, a small note for that particular thing you can add. Okay, note you can add, and you can take a part of the clip, like that. All these provisions they are providing. Okay, and I'm closing now. So here there is another provision. Okay, your publications also you can separately include. You can add your work also. So that provision also available. And these many duplicate copies, because again and again we are importing, no? So you can find the duplicate also. And here there is a provision for creating a group. You can, along with the guide or your friends, you can share these folders also. You need not to maintain. So again, you can create many groups, and you can share, collaborate with them. New group. You can create a group. You can give a name for the group, and then you can call the persons by inviting through mail ID. Okay? So here I can give group 1. So we have created group. smart village already I have created. So if you are giving any documents here, there also the co-authors also they can refer. See in that, yeah, I have given link to my friend. So here Reena Rai and myself, there in the group. Okay, so we can share some references. She also by login, she also can utilize these articles. So these are the provisions. So after maintaining the folder, just you have to go to your Word document. You can find the new tab Zotero. So from which you can extract, but just by clicking at the citation. Here you can refer by name, deed. Okay, so any document you can include. This one automatically will add to the reference. Okay, any doubt? If you want more, yeah, one more thing I forgot. See, we are searching, no? Yeah, I'm searching like that. So, in the Google Scholar, I want to search. Wherever you want, you can search. Okay. So the provision is just, can you able to see the folder? This folder option? Anybody please respond. Can anyone see this folder? Yeah. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Madangi ma'am. So here, this folder will help you to do one magic. See, these many papers we are getting. Okay. So here I am doing some filter in the custom range. Okay, I'm giving 2022 papers and 2023 papers alone. Okay, now it's 49,000. Okay, so I can take these papers into the library, Zotero library directly. Okay, so after installing Zotero, you will find a folder in the browser. Okay, in the extension you can add Zotero connector. This is that's why we have imported this Zotero connector. So just clicking it, it will give you the provision. Import all these papers into your library. Okay, so for demonstration, okay, select all. First I go and create a collection for separately. This is Zotero, through Zotero collector. So I'm creating a folder like that. I'm choosing that folder. Okay, I'm choosing this folder. Now I'm going there and I'm clicking OK. Papers where what are the papers we have selected? All those papers imported directly. Easy, no? Very helpful, right? Any doubt in this? So that I can spend some time, or if you want to do anything else, I'll do it. Any doubt, I'll clarify. Anybody? Any doubt? Any interaction? Anybody here? Thank you.
Thank you. I can request all the participants to turn on the video for a photo session. Participants, kindly turn on your video for a photo session. Can we go with question session, ma'am, if they have any questions?
Any doubt, you can ping me. Vimala has my contact number and mail ID. If you have any doubt, you can ping me.
Participants, if you have any questions that to be asked now, you can ask to ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, already I have installed Mendeley into my Word, ma'am. Mendeley plugin.
Okay.
Could it be an issue installing again Zotero into that?
No. It will not affect actually. I have installed both Mentally and Zotero. Both things I have explored. Mentally also, it's very easy, very good user-friendly tool. But which Word document you are having? Which version? 2016.
After that only I have, ma'am.
Okay. Then that is a no issue. Okay, if you don't have 16.
If I install both, no issues, right, ma'am?
No issues, no issue. It won't create any problem.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Please. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jihad Abubakar. First of all, thank you for a wonderful class. As I see, feature extraction and pattern recognition is one of your field, now, ma'am. Ma'am, my doubt is, what is the, I mean, if a person is doing research in feature extraction and pattern recognition, so what is the
difference? You're
updated?
asking about what is the difference between feature extraction or pattern recognition?
No, ma'am. I mean, what is the deep learning or machine learning technique which is more appropriate for this feature extraction and learning? Pattern recognition, I mean.
Yeah, mostly they are running behind the CNN, ANN, RNN. Okay.
Yes.
So my scholars also, they want to, any kind of problem, they are now dealing with deep learning.
Deep learning.
So in deep learning, yes, sir. Deep learning, they are trying to solve their problem. So recent, any kind of algorithm you can take. We are getting more patches also. Plugins. They are available for Windows. Yeah, Linux. Okay, so you can practice with that CNN, ANN, and RNN. Nowadays, they are trying to incorporate with the AR, VR also.
Sorry, ma'am, which one?
AR, VR. Virtual reality. Yeah, virtual reality also. It's nowadays very good boom. Very good scope. Thank you.
One more. It's not a doubt actually. One more your suggestion. Any SEA journals, ma'am? I mean, fast response. Any suggestion for
You
SEA?
can search. I don't know which area you're working, medical journal
Natural
or
language
agriculture
processing, ma'am.
based.
NLP.
Okay.
Natural language processing.
Okay. You are having your reference list, right?
Yes.
So go to that reference list. Okay. Take most of the papers published in which journal. Okay. So take the list of journal. After that, each journal, you go and check acceptance rate. There will be acceptance rate for each journal. Okay. Check the acceptance rate. Acceptance rate is high means, okay, the impact factor, okay, that and all you check and you can choose. Now, 5 papers or acceptance rate is 50 means you can choose a journal based on the impact factor. Impact factor, another Another thing you can consider. Now you have a provision for 5 journals with the 50% of acceptance rate. So out of which you can pick a journal based on the impact factor.
Okay. Based on impact factor. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
If there is no other questions, I'll move with vote of thanks. As we come to end of the 7th day of our Enriching Research Tools FDP, I am here with immense pleasure and gratitude on behalf of the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to esteemed HOD, Mrs. T. Kalaiselvi, ma'am, and all our department staffs for the invaluable contribution, unwavering support, and commitment to the success of this program. Special mention must be made to our resource person, Dr. Lenin Nisha, ma'am, whose expertise and knowledge in citation have enlightened us throughout this FDP. Your insightful presentation, interactive session, and practical demonstration have provided us with a comprehensive overview on citation and its application, ma'am. We are truly grateful for the commitment to sharing your wisdom and expertise with us. Next, I would like to express our gratitude to all the participants who have actively taken part in this FDP program. Your enthusiasm, active participation, and thought-provoking discussions have contributed immensely to the success of this session 7. In essence, here's a testament to your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Last but not the least, we are grateful to the management of Easwari Engineering College for the constant support and allowing us to organize this FDP seamlessly. Thank you all for your active participation, valuable contribution, and unwavering enthusiasm. Let us carry forward this knowledge gained here and continue to explore new frontiers. Thank you and have a wonderful day. And I request all the participants to fill the feedback link that has been posted in chat box. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salai, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you all for patient listening and for providing this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.